Hello, my name is Vishesh Sachdeva and our PRML project topic is face identification. So in this topic what we are doing is first we will analyze the data that what LFW dataset we are using. Then we will apply feature reduction techniques on PCA LDA and then on that reduced features we will apply classifiers. Then we will apply feature extraction techniques and based on the extracted features we will further reduce the data using PCA LDA and then again apply classifiers and we will compare our classification results on original data versus extracted features. So first we will do data analysis. In this part, what we have done is that we have taken people, LFW people dataset in which we have only picked faces whose sample size was greater than 40 images. And by doing that, we get 17 distinct faces and total of 71,777 samples and each image is of size 15 to 37 and since each pixel counts as one feature so we will be having total of 1850 features for each face. Then we have applied principal component analysis in which we have reduced our original features to orthogonal features and by also maximizing the total variance captured. So from 1850 features we have successfully reduced to 200 features and still we are capturing 96.4% of the total variance. We can see the curve of variance and these are our eigenfaces or principal components that we have obtained using PCA reduction. Then we apply classifiers such as random forest, SVM and multilayer perceptron on PCA reduced features and their accuracy are like random forest 40%, RBF SVM 84.7% and multilayer perceptron 74%. Then we applied LDA on the PCA reduced data to again reduce features into 16. So by that you get random forest accuracies you can see is increased to 79%. RBF kernel accuracy has reached 76% and multi-layer perceptron accuracy is 74%. Then we have now we come to see that how can we extract features from the original images. So first extraction technique that we implemented is HOG, histogram of oriented graph. In this technique, we have split the image into cells and each cell is of size 4 into 4 pixels and for each cell we have computed 9 HOG orientations. So we total have extracted 972 features from each image. Then we have applied techniques like PCA and LDA to further reduce the extracted features and then we have trained the model using the classifiers. So this is how we applied PCA. So after applying PCA, we have taken 600 out of 972 features and capturing 95% of the total variance. So our classified results are random forest again we have got 79%, SVM we have got 76%, and multilayer perceptron we have achieved accuracy of 74%. Next extraction technique we have uses local binary patterns. In this technique, we replace each pixel by some weighted average of its neighboring pixels. So here we have taken 8 nearest neighbors of that pixel into account to compute its value. So this is our original image and this is our image after LBP extraction of features. This is the diagram of how LBP works. So in this the size of image doesn't change. So we have initially 1850 extracted features. Then we applied LBP PC on this LBP extracted features and we have converted to 600 features and we have captured 90% of total variance. These are eigenfaces for LBP extracted features. Now its classification result is random forest 36%, RBF SVM kernel accuracy is 67% and multilayer perceptron accuracy is 63%. So we can see that LBP is not effective on face data, but yes, it is effective on to identify local textures. Next, we have applied feature extraction technique like CNN. So in CNN, we have split our data into 60 batches, each of size 28 samples or 28 images. And then we have extracted around 2048 features for each image. Then we have trained models like SVM, logistic regression. Now, these are classification results. For SVM, RBF kernel has maximum accuracy of 86%, and for logistic regression or multi-layer perceptron with only one output layer, that is same as logistic regression, we have achieved an accuracy of 89.5%. So this accuracy we have received for 17 distinct classes of faces when we had only 1777 face images. So we now select our final classifier based on the accuracies. So first final classifier choose is when we have used HOG feature extraction, and then we have applied PCA feature reduction technique on it, and then we have used RBF SVM as a classification technique, and that led to a successfully achieve 88.38% accuracy. The next we can use classifier is again when we use convolutional neural networks for feature extraction, in which we extracted 2048 features. Then we applied multi-layer perceptron or simple a logistic regression classifier on it, which is multi-layer perceptron only one output layer, and we achieved accuracy of 89.52%.